Hi again friends, in this tutorial I want to share with you for our materials in our sorry, one more please. In our waterfall project we are going to use this dark brown and kind of light dark pink paint, and then we will use plastic white. All those materials are plastic paint. Okay, we will put some paints inside and then we will mix it till we find the right color. Okay, for this tutorial I choose this styrofoam box for my container for just painting my waterfall. We will put that inside and then mix it the colors. First of all, we are mixing the colors. I already mixed, but I'm still doing it again. I want to see it. Yeah. Just some water inside I put. Also, this paint is already mixed too. I want my waterfall on the first time for painting. The color must be dark brown for first time. Okay, and then we will plaster we will paint the plaster more than 3 times or 4 times, but this is not enough for me because I don't want to lose more paint, so I'm just cutting. You can find this in any market. This is just the water. You see, I'm using it to get for carrying my paints. This was the first time. Putting it here, and then we are putting these colors inside. We already mixed it. Till we find the right color for us, then we will mix it. We are also putting our other dark materials too. And I'm mixing it. Is it enough for us? No, of course not. We need to put some more white. And dark brown. Yes, now we are mixing. This is the right color for me for the first time, friends. It can be the area we will apply for our waterfall will be too much, so I want it to be just more light. Also can be nice. Because we will make this operation for more than 5 times. We will paint and then let it to be dried. We will paint again and again and again. So this will be our first applying. Is it enough for us? Not enough. One more. White to inside everything. And mixing. That's okay for now. See you next tutorial then. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.